What's that?
It's not as close as I expected. I thought it might be like a lot closer. Jeez.
It's pretty darn cool looking. This looks pretty cool, huh? Emily, come here.
Oh my god, it's so much cooler.
It's a lot cooler.
Whoa! Cactus is growing in rocks. That out.
You think it's something's home?
Should I look through it?
I don't think it's anybody's home.
There's a nest in there. Probably a snake nest. Should I mess in that?
Nope, probably not.
Probably. You think there could be a bear cave somewhere hiding over here?
I don't know, but
It's very tough.
all those nooks and crannies, you gotta watch for rattlesnakes. For sure.
It's hot.
And it's very hot.
Which way did they go?
These are four-wheeler tracks there. Well, they went this way. No, I don't.
There we are. Go to the car and leave them.
Here's the boys that ditched the girls. Very rude.
Can we climb the mountain? We found a snake nest.
We still have not started drying up these girls.
We've been milking them for a very long time, including like May, Maddie, and Elsa. They've already been dried, but a little bit Cammy and Bindi cannot be dried.
Well, we haven't tried. What you doing, boy? One of the perks to Dad being a landscaper. We get the mesquite. Another perk, having a boy to help unload the mesquite. You guys see that little ombre behind me? Way back there? It's Kaylee. And she's got her permit. So, she has to learn how to drive a stick before she can drive, right? That's what they should all learn on. So, we got her driving the little ombre, so she's just gonna do circles around the yard. Let's see how this goes.
Oh,
Oh, she took that curve. Oh man. So you guys missed the part where she didn't stall it out because I thought I was recording and I wasn't.
Good job.
It's downright scary when you have to teach a kid to drive. So Derek is doing the hard work right now, getting her used to it. Here she comes. She's doing really good.
She takes that turn though fast, quickly.
She's scared to brake.
Yeah,
But it's scary, guys. It's real. And I don't know how I lived through the 18-year-old that we have when she learned to drive. It's scary.
She went fast. She never.
Yes, she was a very fast driver. I think she still is.
No,
But
she learned.
here she comes again. So this is number 2 that we are dealing with to teach to drive. I'm actually quite impressed. She's doing awesome. In circles around the yard anyway. And the next thing, she's going to think she's going to drive my truck.
Nope.
That's scary. That's scary. No. Hey Mom, can I take your truck?
You're crazy.
No, you can't. You can take the Ombre. Turns out there's babies again. Right, I'm sorry. There's like 3 of them. So I have no idea. These must be the mom and dad. I don't know.
Ones and just immediately clutched another.
So we found this is the best method to clean out the algae in the bottom of the pool. All the dust and dirt. A little bit time consuming, but what do you say? You've been in there about 15 minutes, bub?
15, yeah.
We have the vacuum thing, but it just gets that all throughout the water.
I don't have a filter for it.
So this method works good. They have to do it about once a week. And then they can swim. Your turn, Emily.
Yeah.
What a difference. Check it out. Corn and beans are doing awesome. Growing way faster than I thought they would. Pretty good luck with the birds not messing with them too. Those coal beans over here are getting flowers. We should have some beans off them pretty soon. How's your garden coming along?
Good, I guess, but they're not watermelons. They're gourds.
All of them?
Yeah.
The wild gourd? They looked like it, didn't they? Yep. That's cool. You got them vining up your little fence.
Yeah, but I thought this one gets taller every day.
Alright, so the boy's got some stuff he planted up here in his tree house. What do we got here, bub?
These are all green beans, all 3 pots.
All 3 pots of green beans?
Uh-huh.
He decided he wanted his own little vegetables. What happened to that green bean there, sir?
I think some birds pecked at it.
They ate the leaves off.
Same with this one. This one was, I don't think it's growing or anything.
Looks like you gave the birds the beans. You got over here something?
Yeah, the banana peppers.
What are these?
Banana peppers.
You got quite a few of those kicking. You might want to give them more. Very cool.
Look at all that grass down there.
Pretty high up here, huh?
I've claimed that too. All this grass. All that grass. But yeah, it's pretty
Jeez. You can see the goats.
What are you doing, Emily? What are you doing?
He's gonna lift his little bucket down with his pulley.
Oh, jeez.
You really got a messy treehouse, bub.